Hi, it's Miss Cooper. I miss being together, I'll tell you that much. But here is a great book called What Joe Saw. It's by Anna Grossnickel Hines, and it's all about this little boy, and I bet you know his name, Joe, and how he stops and observes so much that other people in their rush miss. Here he is looking at something in the grass. So try to keep your eye on Joe in this book. Joe was the last one to line up for the walk to the park. So nobody saw what Joe saw. Hurry up, Joe, you have to keep up, Mrs. Murphy said. But she didn't see what Joe saw. Come on, Pokey Joe, said Pete, who was first in line. You'll make us take all day. But he didn't see what Joe saw. He's just a slowpoke, said Janet. Slowpoke, Pokey Joe, sang Dustin. Janet, Pete, and Tricia joined in the chant. Slowpoke, Pokey Joe, slowpoke, Pokey Joe. That's enough, said Mrs. Murphy. Come on, Joe. Hurry up now. We want to see the ducks, don't we? But none of them saw what Joe saw. At the pond, everyone crowded around looking for the ducks. There they are! There they are! Screeched Pete. Where? Where? Oh, there they are! There they are! Everyone shouted. Joe saw what everyone saw. Did your mind say ducks? Maybe mallard ducks? Mrs. Murphy got out the cracked corn and each child took a handful. Here, ducks, come and get it. Come and get some corn, they called. Soon Mrs. Murphy called, time to go. The children scrambled to get in line. Pete was first again, and Joe was last. So nobody saw what Joe saw. Pete, you need to stop and tie your shoelace, said Mrs. Murphy. Wow, said Pete, look at that. He said it quietly, but Janet heard, and Tisha and Dustin and Mrs. Murphy and the others. Then everyone saw what Joe saw. So Joe really used his powers of observation, which is looking, listening, and thinking about it. Also, I hope that you get to Bancroft Pond because right now I saw some goslings, some baby geese, and I saw on the logs that were going into the water, I saw some turtles, and they were stacked up and in the sun and soaking up the sun. So if you get over there, you can observe some nature too. And don't forget to bring a sketch pad and do some sketching while you're there. All right. Have a good week. Bye bye.